Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I'm going to try a technique that I saw on YouTube, and it is making a night sky. And I have seen lots of different people do it lots of different ways, but I'm going to try it this way. It's kind of a combo, but I'm taking Distress Oxide ink and I'm going to cover just certain areas with the pink. It doesn't have to be covered completely. I almost covered the whole thing, I forgot. So I'm just putting this in a couple places. It doesn't really matter. This is so bizarro how it's supposed to work. And I need to make 3 because these are going to be MD cards. And then I'm going to clean this off with a wet wipe. Okay, and then once that's clean, I'm going to go to my next color, and it seems like pink, purple, and blue were the most common that I saw anyway. And then I'm going to take that color off. And then I'll use this Faded Jeans color. So I am going to cover it all, but I'm not going to cover it all in the same color. I should have said that. So I'm just covering it all. I'm going to go in a little bit over here. Alright, so now all 3 of them have all 3 colors on them. And now here's the really weird part. I think I'm going to take my black and I'm going to cover the whole thing with black. And it's not just a little bit of black. You want to get in there, I guess, from what I understand. This is my first time doing this. And then I'm going to let that one dry. Let's do this one. Love you. My daughter came in and then she's leaving. She's going to the mall. She came in from work. Alright, so now that one's covered, I think. I'm going to go over it one more time, so if it's not completely covered, that's okay. So I'm just taking the ink and covering it all, and my dog is letting in from outside, so hold on just a minute. I will be right back. I won't touch anything without you. Okay, coming back with these. Those look really dark. Crazy. I don't know if I want to go over it again. I don't think I'm going to. I think I'm going to wipe this off. And for the record, I really do like the makeup brush thing. It works out really well. I love blending with them. I've never used black on it, so it does transfer the black pretty. I mean, I don't know if you can see this. I think you can. Yeah, you can. There, so now the black is coming off. So it stains it a little bit, but you know what? That's a-okay. I don't mind that at all. So now, once you've done that, you take your water, because this is distressed ink, and I have this distress sprayer, and the slower I spray it, the larger the drips that come out. So I'm gonna spray it kind of like that, and you can see the difference already with what it does. Isn't that crazy? And then I'm gonna do it with this one. And you want, you know, big sprays and small sprays, because it's supposed to look like stars, I guess. All right, and you can do that as many times as you want to, but I think I'm just going to do it once, because now I'm going to take a toothbrush. I'm going to try to kind of be careful when I'm opening it, because I'd like to keep it in this package. And this is a soft bristled toothbrush. And I have this shimmering white embossing powder. I can't figure out, I don't know if it is, like if it stays white. It says shimmering white. I don't know, let's just try it. I've not tried it yet. So what the heck, we'll try it. Ooh, interesting. It's not what I expected. Gosh, there's probably enough on this. And then you just kind of hold your toothbrush and splatter this on. Ooh, that's kind of cool. I like this shimmer. Let me... So this is messy. You're gonna get messy. So it looks like it's just going to leave some sparkle, which is kind of cool. But I also want some white, so what I'm going to do is get another wipe. And clean off my paws. And I wasn't sure what this stuff was, so I wanted to see, and I'm glad I did, because I like it. I'm not sure how I'm going to use it yet, but I like it. But then I do have some white enamel acrylic paint. So hopefully this is acrylic. And I'm just going to put some on my toothbrush. And splatter that down. I'm getting really little splatters. I don't know how to make them big splatters. kind of like the little splatters, but I'd kind of like a few big splatters too. Oh, there's a couple big ones. What did I do different there? Alright, well, I'm just going to call that done because now I'm going to cover it all in white and that won't be any good. So I'm going to clean my brush, and I'll probably take my brush to the sink and clean that for real. And my hands too. So let me do that because I don't want to be a total mess. Ugh. Okay, I will be right back again. I won't touch it without you. Okay, I'm back. And just so you know, it was pretty easy to clean the brush and my hands. So that wasn't bad at all. In case you're worried about that. I know sometimes things just seem like they're going to be too messy to try, but I didn't think this was too bad. Alright, and then I'm going to take my heat gun. I'm just going to heat these up a little bit just to make sure that's dry. I think it's working out pretty well. I think it looks like a night sky. Wow, how about that? I even think I could have, when I do it again, I think I'm not going to put so much black over it. So I can see a little bit of the color behind it. But I think these turned out pretty cute. And I like the shimmer in the, oh, what's this called? This is the a shimmery white embossing paste. I like that shimmer. And I'm going to look up how other people have used it so I'll know. But that's really cool. All right, so there is how you do a night sky with paper and distress ink. Kind of neat. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll have to try to show you what I make with it here in a little while. Bye.